Hello everyone, my name is Vivian Pashenko. Today I'm going to introduce to you a very awesome product, which is OHM Cyclone Vacuum Cleaner. The portable and detachable design helps you to clean home and car with one charge easily. Farewell the boring clean work. OHM Cyclone technology absorbs with tremendous power that exceeds 4000 PA. Stainless steel filter does not need to replace and save much more than HEPA filter. You just need to clean with water and use again. Removable transparent dust container to ensure easy disposal of rubbish. The kit includes a kit with all extension, allow you to reach every corner of the house with extreme ease. Dust no longer has to escape. Thank you for watching this video. So what are you waiting for? Grab an OHM Cyclone vacuum cleaner right now.